and making me happy, and it helped her, blah, blah, blah. Her son was vehemently opposed to it. He was like, don't sell it. It's it's an heirloom bag. It's rare and you should never sell it. But she did, and I'm glad she did. Thank you so much that you sold this. I'm not going to mention anymore. I'm going to try to keep as much vague about her just to protect her. But she's super sweet. And yeah, okay, so I'm going to open it now. But I want you guys to guess. I think I've given away a lot of clues as to what this could be. It's just basically in the last couple of things, but if you don't know, now you know. Well, you will know in a second. Okay. Sorry. Okay. These are so... Okay. Anyway, okay. I'm really excited, you guys. I really have wanted this bag for so long. Like, I can't even tell you. And I always thought maybe I'll get it one day, or I wouldn't get it one day, but I've never seen it. I've never seen it available on any of the sites ever. Never seen it available. So the fact that I found it, it's pretty crazy. I feel like it was fate. I found one by my birthday, and I was like, I have to get this bag. It's meant to be. This bag just appeared, and it's a sign, and like, you know, I have to get it. Plus, like, you know, it's like, whatever, like, manifest destiny. The world is telling me I have to get this bag. And I wanted it, and I didn't get the bag that I was supposed to get anyway for my birthday, so this is an amazing consolation. Okay, here it is. Do you guys know what it is? I feel like you know what it is. If you don't know what it is, take a guess, one more guess, okay. Hints. Limited edition, impossible to get, never available, rare color, feels like a Birkin Kelly vibe, beautiful bag, everything you could ever want and more. Oh, look at how nice she packed it. Oh. Sounds like there's nothing in here. That's a little scary. Okay, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, so green box, obviously. So we know it's not a tote. Okay, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, she's real. She's there. I mean, I feel like this gives it away, right? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, you guys ready? Madonna. Are you kidding? Ugh, this is a little annoying. Okay, you guys, it is the Saigon in rose gold. Is the Structure Saigon mini in rose gold. Hello, best friend. Twins. Oh my god. Okay. Do you guys not? This is. I mean, I've wanted this bag for forever. So it's rose gold with rose gold hardware and black everything. It's like, it looks beautiful. The corners. I mean, it's used, but it's in really good condition. Except, I just noticed this, which I'm gonna have to ask her about because it looks like it's tearing on both the handles. Do you guys see that? Like there and there. It's actually really upsetting. What the fuck? It's actually really, really upsetting. That's really, really upsetting. Oh man, I was really excited about this bag. That's actually kind of frustrating. Oh, and it's got like these marks right here. Oh, okay. This is actually really upsetting because I was really looking forward to this. I mean, otherwise it looks pretty good. This looks pretty used, actually. Ugh. Now I feel like an idiot. Well, anyway, I paid a lot, but I paid less than retail, which is nice. I think. Because this was $6,300, I believe, in the store. Wow, now I feel like maybe I should try to return this. That's really upsetting. Okay, so, but it's got rose gold everything and a gold interior. It's got 3 little marks there too. Weird. And there too. So that must be a. Oh, that's from this, being on this. Okay, he's definitely used. Okay, strap. Got big black interior with a black back pocket. Structured and beautiful and amazing and beautiful. Now I'm just trying to look for the serial number, which I assume is in here somewhere. I'm sorry, I can't finish this video now because now I feel really bad. I was really looking forward to this and it feels like it's very used. I mean, it's a great bag. It still looks beautiful and I love it. The plastic is still on the feet, which she kept mentioning. But like, there's a G on the bottom. But like this, the wear here is actually quite, I mean, there's wear on the inside too. I mean, I guess it's used, right? It's used, so what am I to expect? It's a hard to get bag, it's used, and it's not, I never see it. But at the same time, like, I feel like there's a little bit of, omitting of the truth, which kind of feels a little, she's a sweet, nice old lady, though. So, I mean, she's a sweet lady, and I feel bad, but, like, this clearly has a lot more wear than she told me. She is making me a little upset. And goes back to the whole point of buying secondhand, which is why I don't. Because you don't know what you're going to get. Unless they say it's perfect and new, and it's new and excellent. And the website says that. But then even then, like, I've gotten fakes, like I've said. And she told me this was brand new, like barely used, has no wear. This clearly has wear. So I'm going to have to email her and I'm going to have to talk to her and see, because that's, yeah. I mean, it's got wear this way too. It's got like indentation marks from where it's like, I mean, it's a beautiful bag. I'm going to try it on, obviously. I'm wear it around the house like a million times and film 100 videos with it, but that's kind of really frustrating. Okay, let's see the strap now. Let's see what's going on with the strap. So this is the rose gold strap, which is also really, really nice. This doesn't look like it's been used that much. Like, all the holes are still pretty intact. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, you know what? Let's see how she looks with Nano. Hold on, I'm trying to find the serial number right now just to make myself feel a little better. Maybe there is no serial number in here. It's all black in here. There has to be a serial number, which makes no sense. Right? There has to be a serial number. Yeah, there it is. LAR 020215. Oh, there it is. Found it. Okay, so it does have a serial number. Woot woot. But I am really... You guys see this, right? I'm like really, really upset about that part, to be honest, because like it's a pretty... Let me see. I can't even see if you can see. It's like a really... It's a very obvious tear, like almost halfway tear on this side, and like a medium-sized tear on this side, like a 1/3 tear on this side, which I really wish would have been disclosed, because that's kind of, you know, that should have been disclosed. Anyway, well, oh, right, we're gonna get her friend. It's still a really pretty bag.